Hello guys, welcome to this section with me. So in this section, I'm going to show you how to trade different market structures. How do you trade an uptrend market? How do you trade a downtrend market? And how do you trade um, a range market? So these type of market structures, I'm going to show you how to trade them in this video. So let's start. Um, let's start with uptrend. You know that in an uptrend market, the market creates higher highs and higher lows. Something like this, like this. So the market does not go up forever in the same direction. As it moves up, there will be a snapback, what we call pullback, pullback, pullback. Those pullback create a higher high and higher low along the path. It's like a staircase in a building. You understand? So staircase, staircase have highs as you step up, as you go up, to which you ride to the top of a building. So same thing here in the market too. So when you see an uptrend market, it doesn't just go in the straight direction. Okay, so it goes up by creating higher highs and higher lows. That is, along the way, the price will drop occasionally. So we call it a discount price, a discount sales, whereby as price begin to go up, those who bought at the bottom are taking profits at the top here. Those who bought at this bottom will take profits here. Price will drop a little bit, giving room for that person to also join as well. They will join right at this spot again. Some will buy right from here, then take some profits here as well again. So by taking profits, there will be a little drop in price again like this. Then others also come in and join right here, buy at this point, and also take profits along the line. So this is what creates highs and higher lows you see on your charts. Now, in a market like this, how do you trade and enter such markets? Very simple. If you do not buy at the support at the bottom, wait for a retest like this. When price drop, when a chart drop in value, drop in price in an uptrend market, enter. Once you see a good entry with low risk, enter them like this. So now this market now, let's say this market now, this chart now, some people would enter right at this support, at this pullback here. They will enter right here at this zone here, sell at this zone, buy here, and sell at the top. So they buy the bottom and sell the top. Now, how do you know that this pullback is over and it's about to continue on an uptrend? Now, I'm going to show you all these in our coming next videos. We are going to do and for you guys. So in that video, I'm going to show you how to know when a pullback is over and how to enter a pullback in the right way with low risk, with having a high chance of also succeeding. Okay, so but this concept, don't forget it, right? So in an uptrend, you wait for a pullback and you enter at a good location. You don't just buy because, oh, it's going up, let me buy. No, if you buy when it's going up, you don't know when it will drop in value and crash. So no one will ever know the toppest bottom of a chart. That is, no one will know when the price will stop going up and start selling massively. Okay, so you want to be seeing signs that this chart is just a pullback. On your chart, you want to be okay, like okay now that market structure is showing me that this chart is just a pullback. It will continue the uptrend after this pullback, or this chart is about to fall completely. You have to be patient for market to show you all this. Okay, so that's that for that. So now, what about if you're on the downtrend market? But before I go to that, let me show you something on the chart. Let me show you pullbacks on the chart. Let me show you pullbacks on the chart. Now, this is gold chart. Okay, so now this is an uptrend market. An uptrend market here. So gold began to move up in an uptrend, but as beginning to move up, you can see some pullbacks. It's a pullback right here. You can see that move like this, pull back a little bit, continue again, pull back, continue, pull back, continue, pull back. You can see. So you enter on pullbacks. Okay, so next bit I'm going to show you how to do that on a uptrend market and also on a downtrend market, how to know which pullbacks to take and which to ignore. So let me show you an example again on gold. Let me see if I can get an example for you. Yeah, this is an uptrend market on gold. Pullback, uptrend, pullbacks, uptrend, pullback, up, pullback, pullback, up. So you can see the market doesn't just go up on a straight line. The market pullbacks at some point. It's give discount along the line. So that is how to trade an uptrend market. You buy on pullbacks. You don't just buy because it's going up. Let me buy now. No. If you do that, you will begin to lose money. So you wait for pullbacks, and that is where you are to enter your chart. So now for a downtrend market, same thing apply as well. You wait for pullbacks. Okay, you wait for pullbacks before you enter. So this is a downtrend market we have right here. You can see pullback, 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 and like that, pullback. So a downtrend market gives you higher, lower highs and lower low. Let me show you an example of that. That's how it works. So let's say market is going coming like from, let's say, from this top, it's coming up from this point A, coming to, let's say it's coming down from this point right here. So point B, like this. Markets will not move just straight like, or just come like this. No, it's not move that way. Instead, market will move like this, give you lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is how market price moves. And in a trend like this, where the price is coming down, you are to enter at pullbacks here like this. this zone, this zone, you enter at the lower highs that it creates along the line. Okay, so that's how to trade a downtrend market. You wait for pullbacks. That is, when price actually resting a little bit, pullback into to rest, and that's where you enter and join the movement. Okay, so now let me show that example again on the chart again. Let's see. That's for on gold to sim gold. So you can see this price, this market move from this point right here, this point, it dropped to this point, and you can see how it creates you can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low along the line as it moves. You can see that clearly. This is a high, this is a lower high, this and that lower high, this is a low, this is a lower low, this is another lower low. That is a low that is lower than the previous low. It's called a lower low, while a high that is lower than the previous high is called a lower high. That is, the price value of this current high, this high, is lower than this value right there. This is 987. This is 900. So this high in value is very low compared to this high. So hence it's called, this one is called lower high. Okay, so in a downtrend market, you enter at the lower highs. That is those pullback. At the end of the pullback, that is where you will enter on a downtrend market. So let's go for a ranging market. Now, in a ranging market, you have what we call almost equal high and almost equal low. Something like this. Something like this. This is how a ranging market always looks like. It's not really going up or going down. It's just moving like a zigzag on a zone. So like this. So this is a zone now, like a zone. So how do you trade this? You enter at the edges. You buy at this bottom, sell at this top here. You buy at this bottom, sell at here, buy here, sell here. So you short here, buy here, short here, buy here. That is, you sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom right here, and sell the top here again. So that is how to trade a range market. You enter at the edges, you short at the bottom, at the very edge of the bottom, where you so you buy at the very edge of the bottom, you buy here, while you short here at the edges of the top. So that's how to trade a ranging market. Let me see if I can get an example for that too on gold. Let's see if I get something like that. Yeah, we have something like that already on gold before. So now you can okay, this is not clear enough the way I want it to be. Okay, this is an example right here. Now, what we have here, from here, what we have here is a ranging market. Right here, these are ranging markets. These are ranging zones. until it break right out of here. So you can see. So this is a ranging market. So you will buy right at the bottom here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So buy here. While some usually they usually stay away from ranging market completely because they see it as a risky market. Yes, it can be a little bit risky and also very frustrating to trade at times because of the movement. At times it can just be rough, it will not be smooth, unlike an uptrend like that. So that is it. So some stay from ranging markets, while some take the risk and trade the ranging market nonetheless. So in the ranging market, but know that you have to look for the bottom and the top to enter your trades. So it's very easy and simple. So if you have a question to ask, you can drop your question in the chat section. I'm going to answer your questions and see you in the next video.